Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on Instagram the other day I did a little poll as to what eyeshadow look I should do, and it was between either blue or purple, and blues won. So for today I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star's Jawbreaker palette, and we're mainly just going to focus with this blue, maybe this yellow, I'm not sure yet. So yeah, thank you guys so much and keep on watching. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the Anastasia eye primer. So I'm going to be taking in Soaked on this Makeup Shack T46 brush. Sorry, T49 brush. I'm going to go right on my eyelid and start just patting this blue on. So for the crease, I'm going to pick up that same color and then just pat that on the crease. Okay. Once you've got something like that going on, I'm going to go in with the color Virgin and set right over top. So I'm setting the eye primer I applied because I am going to be going back and blending out that blue. So in order for that color to blend out, it has to be dry. So now I'm going to take a clean brush and blend out that blue with no product on it. So just really lightly blend that out. And then I just find that when you blend out that color with a clean brush, it's easier for the color you're going to put over top to blend even nicer, and it's just going to be easier. Now I'm going to pick up this color Wow. This is just an e.l.f. crease brush, but I'm going to use it to blend out the blue over top. So I'm going to switch out that brush. I'm going to use this Morphe M511 brush, picking up the same, going back in with the yellow. And this time just like blending all of that out. Okay, so I'm going to do my other eye and I'm going to fast forward through this part. So I'm going to be coating my lashes with this Tarte Big Ego mascara. I got this in my Boxy Charm last month, so just put that all over my eyelashes. So now that we're done with our eyes, we're going to be moving on to the face. So I'm going to take the Budesco facial spray. This is the cucumber and green tea one. So spray that all over our face. Okay, so now that that has dried, I'm going to be going in with this e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. Put that on the back of my hand first. So I'm going to be warming up the product on the back of my hand. And so on top of that, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I'm in the color Sand. Shake it up. And then using an e.l.f. foundation brush and just patting that onto the skin. And going in with my sponge, this is the Makeup Shack Beauty Sponge. I'm just gonna blend all of that out. Since I did apply it with that brush, it's gonna help blend out any of those streaks or brush marks brushes leave sometimes. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the colors Medium Beige and Medium Sand. So focusing the lightest shade, the inner corner, sorry, the innermost corner of my eye. And then just a little bit of this darker one right there. We're gonna be blending that out. Like that. And then, so after I blended all that out to set my face, so not to set the face and under the eyes, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Matte. So now to set the face and my under eyes, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and this is the color Fairlight. And now to set the rest of my face, I'm just going to use that sponge, pick up product, and pounce that into the skin. And then to contour our face, the Wet n Wild Contouring Contour Palette. And now to bronze, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Bronze Please bronzer. So for blush, I'm going to use the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio. And I'm just going to take all of the colors, so. Okay, so going back into the Jawbreaker palette, I'm going to use this color. I'm going to use this Alley Girl Shockwave eyeliner, and this is like this is pink, like pink red, and I'm just gonna put this in my waterline. And now for a highlight, I'm gonna use the Pixi by Petra. This is like wow, the color that I like. This is like a highlighter duo. Taking that on my Morphe 501 brush. So now for my favorite part, which is the lips, I'm going to be using the Morphe liner. This is in the color Love Bite. This is the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint, and this is in the color Unbutton. So on top of that, I'm going to be putting the Morphe lip gloss, and this is in the color Boho. So to set my skin, I'm going to be going in with that Budesco spray that we first applied to prep our skin. Alright, so now that we set our skin, our makeup is complete. And I really like how this turned out. I think the foundation, it's my first time wearing it today, and I think it's a really good color match. They have like a shade finder online, so I just put like other foundations I've used in the past, and yeah, I really like it. So yeah, that's it for today, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.